Join me as I dive into the world of gaming and see if the Nintendo Switch 2 can really steal the best games from Xbox. Imagine a world where console exclusives are a thing of the past, and gamers can play any title they want, regardless of the platform they own. It sounds like a utopia, but could this be the future we're headed towards? With rumors swirling around the Nintendo Switch 2 and its potential to lure popular Xbox titles, we have to ask ourselves, is it possible that the Switch 2 could steal the best games from Xbox? The competitive landscape of gaming consoles has always been a delicate balance of power. For years, console manufacturers have relied on exclusive titles to lure gamers to their respective platforms. But with the rise of cross-platform games, this balance of power is starting to shift. As we see more and more games being released across multiple platforms, the lines between console exclusivity are becoming increasingly blurred. This has significant implications for the gaming industry as a whole. If console manufacturers can't rely on exclusives to sell their systems, what's to stop gamers from switching platforms? The answer lies in the games themselves. In recent years, we've seen a growing trend towards platform-agnostic game development. More and more studios are opting to release their titles across multiple platforms, making it easier for gamers to play the games they want, regardless of the console they own. But this shift towards cross-platform gaming raises an interesting question: what happens to console exclusives? Do they become a thing of the past, or do they evolve into something new? The answer to this question has significant implications for the gaming industry, and could potentially change the way we think about console gaming. As we look to the future, it's clear that the gaming landscape is going to change. With the rise of cloud gaming and cross-platform play, the boundaries between console manufacturers are becoming increasingly blurred. It's no longer about which console has the best exclusives, it's about which console can offer the best overall gaming experience. This has significant implications for console manufacturers, who must now think outside the box to stay competitive. By embracing cross-platform gaming, console manufacturers can open themselves up to a wider audience, and potentially attract gamers who might not have considered their platform otherwise. Let's talk about the Xbox games that could transition to the Nintendo Switch 2. One of the most obvious candidates is Minecraft. As one of the best-selling games of all time, Minecraft has a dedicated fan base across multiple platforms. It's already available on the Nintendo Switch, but the Switch 2 could offer an even better Minecraft experience, with improved graphics and performance. Another game that could make the jump is Sea of Thieves. This pirate-themed adventure game has struggled to find its footing on the Xbox, but the Switch 2 could offer a fresh start for the franchise. With its focus on exploration and discovery, Sea of Thieves could be a great fit for the Switch 2's portable nature. The Switch 2 could also be a great home for Xbox's popular racing franchise, Forza. With its focus on realism and high-performance graphics, Forza could be a system seller for the Switch 2. Imagine being able to play Forza on the go, with the same level of graphics and performance as on the Xbox. It's a tantalizing prospect, and one that could attract a whole new audience to the Switch 2. Finally, there's the possibility of Halo making the jump to the Switch 2. As one of the most iconic gaming franchises of all time, Halo has a dedicated fan base across multiple platforms. A Switch 2 version of Halo could offer a fresh take on the franchise, with new gameplay mechanics and features designed specifically for the Switch 2's unique hardware. But what's driving this shift in game availability between consoles? Is it simply a matter of console manufacturers wanting to increase their market share, or is there something more at play? According to a recent statement from a prominent game developer, the answer lies in the changing nature of the gaming industry. In an interview, the developer stated that the days of console exclusivity are numbered, and that the future of gaming lies in platform-agnostic game development. This is a seismic shift in the gaming landscape, and one that could have far-reaching implications for console manufacturers and gamers alike. Take, for example, the recent decision by Microsoft to release its xCloud streaming service on the Nintendo Switch. This move marks a significant shift in Microsoft's approach to gaming, and could potentially change the way we think about console gaming. By making its games available on the Switch, Microsoft is acknowledging that the boundaries between console manufacturers are becoming increasingly blurred. It's no longer about which console has the best exclusives, it's about which console can offer the best overall gaming experience. This is a pivotal moment in the history of gaming, and one that could have far-reaching implications for the industry as a whole. So what does this mean for gamers? In the short term, it means that we'll have more options than ever before. We'll be able to play the games we want, regardless of the console we own. But in the long term, it could mean a fundamental shift in the way we think about console gaming. It's no longer about which console is the most powerful, or which one has the best exclusives. It's about which console can offer the best overall gaming experience, and that's a very exciting prospect indeed. So, what do you guys think? Which Xbox games would you love to see on the Switch 2? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more gaming insights.